Welcome to Growing Guitar. Yes, it has arrived, the new album from BTS, the reunion, and this album is called Ari Rang. So if you're a fan of BTS, you should stay this weekend. We have to cover 3, 4, maybe 5 songs from this new album, a great album, and we're gonna start with this song called Like Animals. All right, that's the 12th track. It's a very kind of cinematic R&B. Before we move on with this tutorial, I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. So if you want to see and hear full songs we played, like a playthrough with chords and everything from the beginning till the very end, then you should check out my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay, so find that channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago, and yeah, subscribe to the channel and be a member of that family as well. Now let's go into this Like Animal song, and we're gonna focus on capo on third. Okay, so that's the absolute best scenario. Put that capo on third. We have 4 easy chords that will follow along with that if you want to match up with the sound. So with that set up, we're gonna go into the 4 chords. We're gonna look into the A minor first, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's A minor. Next is F, which is a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. The next chord is the C G. Okay, we want that darker sound from the G note, that will be the third E, then it continues with third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song. A minor, F, C, G, and E minor. Now let's take a look into the strumming. So we're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play A minor, down, down, up, down. That's it for A minor. So down, down, up, down. And then you shift chord very quickly to F and play 1 down, a short little pause, and then up, down. So the transition here from A minor to F slowly goes like this. Okay, and then the C G goes like this. Okay, so that will be down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. And then you immediately go to E minor and play down, down, short pause, and then up, down. So from C G, down, down, up, and then down, down, up, down on E minor. So and that will be 1 round. So like this, slowly. And to a standard tempo, something like this. That's it, my friends. We're gonna start with this BTS song called Like Animals. Perfect for guitar, obviously, since you can hear that guitar in the song. And again, if you're a fan of BTS, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yes, this couple of days, we're gonna go through at least 4 or 5 songs from them. So check that one out. I hope to see you soon, guys. And until next time, play tuned.